I'm going to teach you how to make dark chocolate peanut butter oat balls. You will need a bag of dark chocolate chips, peanut butter, and some dry oats. First thing, you wash your hands. Hands are clean, so now you take maybe about a little bit of this bag. You can do a cup. It depends how chocolatey you want your dark chocolate chips. So I'm gonna do about just enough to fill out the flat part of this container. You can get yourself a microwavable rectangular container. It does not matter. Eventually they will become the shape of a ball. So first, microwave for about only 1 minute, maybe less than 1 minute, because you don't want the chocolate to burn. It depends how much watts your microwave is. In the meantime, while you're waiting, go ahead and get your peanut butter. Get about 2 to 3 spoonfuls of peanut butter. Depends how sweet you like your dark chocolate peanut butter oat balls. You know, as so. Let me get another spoon. There we go. To kind of make that process a little bit easier, because I know how sticky creamy peanut butter can be. Let's get another one, because sometimes it takes more, sometimes it takes less. It just depends how sweet you want that dark chocolate to be. Because dark chocolate is not very sweet, but I do prefer it instead of milk. You can replace dark chocolate with milk chocolate, by the way. There's no one saying that you can't. And after that, you might want to take another spoon to add some oats, or you can just be lazy like me and you can just pour it. Because let's be honest, these oats are what will shape your oat balls. They will help you form the shape of the ball, because we want the ingredients to stick together. Oh, hot! Make sure you have a rag to hold it. So now what we're going to do is we're going to put this into here. So let's do it. If you're too lazy to get another spoon, you can just hold it with a napkin for now. Okay, so yeah, my hands are messy still, but it's fine. We'll wash our hands after. So what you want to do is you want to grab this scooper, so you can see, and you want to pick it up. And what you do is you get another spoon. I guess I like this one. And you want to scrape it out. And let me show you actually without having to hold the camera really quick. Cup of that, because some people need more oats, other people need more protein, and others need more fiber. So I don't have a specific amount of chocolate chips you need, or a specific amount of oats or peanut butter for that reason. Oh yay, look at this amazing mess I really need to fix, and I will when I get off of the camera. Anyway, so it looks messy, but I promise you when it's frozen and you can pick them up and you put them in a container, it'll look beautiful.